Good morning, everybody. This is Toby Preacher from Indie-Games.dev. I'm working on my game All My Zombie, and this morning I want to continue on my crafting system, and I want to show you real quick what I like to do. So you can see I can equip different items. Some are smaller, some are big. I didn't adjust the scale of this toilet paper thing, so don't bother me, toilet paper. What I want to do is, if I go ahead into my inventory and let's say I remove this, I spawn some hearts here, then I put this in here. The heart is equipped, and let me equip the shield, and let's craft this. Now I have the heart shield, I put it in here, close the inventory, and now I can equip that stuff. And as you can see here, there's nothing in this item slot, and still, or let me say that there is in this equipment slot is a heart, but I don't have any heart in my inventory. As you can see here, it's empty. So because I don't have any heart here in my inventory, therefore I am not able to equip it down here with my number one key on my keyboard. There's just nothing happening. So but this shouldn't be the case. If I don't have it anymore in my inventory anymore, it should be disappearing from here, or at least being displayed as not available. So yeah, I want to program that. And therefore I need to get into my scripts. Let me also tap in my canvas system, and let me think for a second. And there is another thing I want to test real quick. I maximize on play because I have different resolutions, and I want to see if my pop-up for the recipe is working like I want it to work if I change the resolution. So let's get down to full HD. Yeah, still working, still there. That's fine. And then let's go down to middle resolution, which is this. Yeah, still what I want to have. And to minimal resolution. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm able to pass my mouse over there, and the spacings between the item holder and the UI is okay. So yeah, test successful. Okay, where was I? In the equipment. So let me think. If my item is no longer in the inventory, then I should remove it from the equipment slot, or I should at least display it in a way that the player knows it is not available. So how can I do that? UI equipment. Select equipment slot, and then I select the equipment slot. Set the highlighted color. Update item holder visuals. I want to see where this is getting called from. So, am I subscribed to any event? Let me see. Yes, I am subscribed to the update item holder visuals event. And it is in play inventory on inventory changed. So I am already subscribed to that. So therefore I just need to add another line of code that is asking, do I have this item in the inventory? For each item in game assets inventory item list, if it is in equipment slot, then set it to active. And then I think I need to add a else if, and then let me think, UI item holder dot item type I need to have this. Oh, let me mark it, copy, put it in there, and then I say it's not in the equipment slot. And if it is not in the equipment slot, then I want to do something else with this. I want to set it active true. Okay, let me just copy this, put it in here. So the game object should be active. The amount text, I will set the amount text to false, the sprite to null, and I think also the item type should be item amount to 0, and this should be an empty string like that. And then I want to UI item holder dot item type equals to item dot item type dot none. So this should do it. Let's test. Okay, let's spawn a heart first, pick it up, and then get in here. I want to equip the heart, I want to equip the sword, and the shield, and then I want to craft this, and also equip the sword. Here we go. So, I'm here. The heart cannot be equipped. Why? Because it is not in the inventory anymore. And now let me see what is happening here in the equipment. So this is the first item holder, and I have the item type heart and 2 hearts in it, sword, 1 sword in it, and yet I can't equip that. I only can equip those who are in the inventory actually. So let me now go into Okay, so this is not updating properly. At least it is not updating at all. Okay, so I think this is not the right trigger. That's okay, but I need to trigger this when I am crafting or when there is a change on the inventory. So let me see, where do I have it? Is it in the UI inventory? I guess not. No, it's not in here, so I think it is in the inventory CS class on inventory change, and this should be exactly the event we are subscribed in the UI equipment. Let me check this. Inventory on inventory change. So this is the event that is getting fired if something is changing. So if I'm adding an item, this is getting called. If I remove a item, it is getting called. So the question is, why is it not working like I want it to work? Plus equals update item holder visuals. Inventory item list. What is the inventory item list? It is here. Item list add item and item list remove item. Okay, I see the problem. The problem is that this is only called for items that are in the inventory, and because the items in my equipment slot are not in the inventory anymore, this is not getting executed for them. So I think I have to take this line of code, or these lines of code, and I have to put them down here. And make another for each loop. Like that one. Or maybe I can pack it up here. Or, let me think. I could take this and put it up here. Set it above this. So I'm always setting this to the default values. And then I deactivate them. This could also be working. So let me test this. Maybe that's my solution. Let me see. Okay, spawn a heart, pick it up, get in here, equip the heart, equip. Hello? Hello? What the heck? Okay, that changed something. What? What is happening? Wow, I can't drop any item down there. Why? Oh, I guess I made it impossible to... Yes. Okay, I made it impossible to ever... Oh man, this is crap. I made it impossible to ever put an item in there. How can I do that? I could say if item holder item type is not none. No, but this is, let me think. I'm dropping a item in that slot, and I want to see I think I have to do it in this way. If now I have to ask UI item holder no, I have to ask for a specific item if it is in the inventory, and therefore I'm gonna use the get item method. So game assets dot instance dot player dot inventory dot get item, and I pass in there the UI item holder dot item type, and if it is not equals null, so I'm asking if I have this in my inventory, and if I don't have it in there, then I'm gonna say take this, put it in here, item holder image set active true, item type none, amount text set active false. I don't need that because I have it up there already. Item holder image sprite is null. Amount is 0 and amount text. I don't need the amount text. And then for explanation, check if there is a item in any equipment slot which is no longer in the inventory, and if yes, and if true, remove it from the equipment UI. So let's see if this is working. Oh, I get some errors. Where? I guess I forgot to delete the stuff down here. Yes. Okay, there we go. Now I can test. Drop a heart, pick it up, and get in the crafting. Equip the heart, and I can't equip it. Ah. Damn, I can't equip it. Why? This is a mess. Okay, that way I can't equip it. This is sad. If game message.instance inventory get item holder item type is not equals to null, oh, I have to add another piece of logic in there. I want to be it in the inventory. Is not equals null. What is the get item method addressing? It is addressing the item list. And in the item list, I only have the items that I hold in the inventory. And therefore, if I add the item, I add it to the item list. Item list add item. So this is wrong. It has to be null. So if it is null, if the item type that I have in my UI item holder is not in the inventory, then I want to do this. So now it should be working. Sometimes you have to wrap your head around this stuff. I'm not getting it always right. Sometimes it's trial and error, so now I can equip finally. And then let's craft this, and there we go. The items I don't have in my inventory anymore, they are getting removed. So now the question is, do I want to have them removed? I don't think so. I think I want to have them only be displayed as not available, because now when I see it, they are disappearing from the equipment slot. This is confusing the player. I don't think he exactly knows why they are disappearing. Well, he could get a clue if he has this kind of behavior multiple times, then he will probably know why this is happening and what's going on, but in the beginning I think he will be confused about that. And so I think I should change it, and I should not set it to I should not set it to item type none. It is active as a default state, so I don't need those two. And the image sprite should not be null, but the amount should be null. Can I address the opacity of the sprite? Sprite.alpha or something like that? Or is it image.alpha? Alpha hit test minimum threshold. What the heck? Image dot color dot, this is the alpha component. Okay, color dot a equals 2 is no variable and can't be changed. Okay. I should have a new color. New color. RGB. Float A. Let me try this. Is this allowed? Is this working? Yes, it is. .rg and a b dot b, and then 0.6. So this should make it transparent. Let me test that out. Okay, same procedure. Equip the heart, equip the sword. Oh, it's already transparent. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's test it anyways. Craft. There we go. I can equip. Okay, it's almost working. Almost. I just have to make sure that it gets set back to a normal value. So I'm setting this here, and then I have to get down here and set it here as well. and set it back here back to 1F. So this should be working. Testing, testing. Okay, there we go. Look, now we have the full color. And I'm gonna craft, and there we go. And now this is more like transparent. And maybe I should also change the background. I think I should change the background. Let me see how I got this in the inventory. This item holder, there is the heart. So I got the image, which has the color white. I got the background. And I have the canvas group. And for the canvas group, I'm addressing the canvas group on the item holder. And I set the alpha value of that. So maybe I should do this in here. Let me try. Comment this out. And then I'm gonna say your item holder did canvas. Oh, how can I address the canvas group? Item dot game object dot get component canvas canvas group. There I have the canvas group dot alpha equals to 0.6 F. There we go. This is what I want to have. And then I'm gonna grab this, put it down here as well, and set it back to 1F. So let me see how's the effect looking. Show me the appearance of it. There we go. All right, let's equip. There we go. This is all looking normal. Craft. There we go. Yeah, I think this is exactly what I want to have. And if I close the inventory now, and I'm trying to equip these two items, they can't be equipped, but here I can equip them. And yeah, that's good. Let me do one further test. So if I pick up an item and then it's in my inventory, it is not getting triggered. So there's some more stuff to do here. But I see my time is almost up. I need to go to my main job now. Which, talking of, can't equip it. What a pity. Huh. I have to write down these bugs in my to-do list in Trello. Where are we here? We are here. If item is in equipment slot but not in inventory, then when the same item gets picked up by the player, it should be selectable in the equipment slot again. So this is one of the things I want to have. And there was another thing I wanted to test. Oh yes, now I remember. If I pick up that now, and I'm gonna equip it. So now the heart is equipped. Then I'm gonna put it in here, craft a heart shield. The heart is still equipped, even that this item was destroyed. Okay. So this is definitely something I have to address, because this can't be real. Okay. Second point. If a equipped item my alarm clock is going off like you have to go. Yeah, I know, I have to go. If a equipped item is getting removed from the inventory, it should get removed from the player and should not be, oh my gosh, I can't write this morning, equipped anymore. So these are the things I need to take care of tomorrow. Let me put them up here. There we go. Okay, and then I will do some furthermore testing, but so far so good. This is getting better. It is getting better each time. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. I'm done. I'm finished. And I'm heading to my main job now. I thank you very much for watching. Thanks if you have stayed until the end. Cheers, mate. Cheers, gal. So, I will see you in the next video, and until then, have a nice day, and I see you in the next one. Bye.